Creating a Facebook business page. Use the option Create Page from the drop-down menu in the top right corner. You may also use the link www.facebook.com/pages/create to create a page. Choose the industry depending on what you want to promote. There are 6 options available for the pages created with a different theme. Local business or place, company, organization or institution, brand or product, artist, band or public figure, entertainment, cause or community. Depending on the nature of the business, one may select the proper category. For example, if you own a bakery, choose the options Local Business and add the address. On the other hand, if you have a brand to promote, use the corresponding type of the page. Let's select Entertainment. Having chosen the type of the page, now you will need to select more specific category. For example, let's select Festival and give the page name as Example. Click on Get Started. Example page is already existing, so we need to create a name as Unofficial Example. Let's click on Get Started. Our unofficial example page has been created. Here we can see something as add a picture, add a cover photo, give your username. This username is totally unique. Add a short descriptions. Write something about yourself, your organization, having your business details. If you wish to write, you may give your start date, end date, your phone number, edit information. If you are running a restaurant, those menus can be added over here. This page ID is a unique page ID generated by Facebook, which can be used for your further preferences. Edit story. These things needs to be added as we have created the page. None of these steps are mandatory, so you can skip them and edit the information directly as and when required. But it is a recommended one. These options can be used to customize the page. Since the page is a presentation of your business, regardless which type of business it is, you should take advantage of those options. Add profile photo and a cover photo that can illustrate your businesses. If you have a store where your customers can reach you, add the location, phone number and the working hours. You should also add your website if you have one and connect with the other social networks. If your business has a long tradition, you can provide this information using milestones. Benefits to your business by using Facebook as a social media marketing tool. Facebook pages enable to create a dialogue or interactions between users, customers, and brands. It gives an opening to the companies to build and maintain relations with customers, whether new or current. When it comes to the marketing, your business feedback from the customers is of vital importance. It helps you understand what are the customers' expectations and their buying behavior. This in turn helps you to market your business in a perfect way. Facebook allows users or consumers to post their feedbacks on their products directly. It helps the businesses to attract more attention. It also gives your company an opportunity to respond. Direct traffic. As your Facebook page grows its fan base, it helps in directing the traffic you get to your company website. Your Facebook business page also appears in the universal search results. Brand exposure. Facebook provides brand exposure to a potentially new audience, which then helps your business to position themselves in a better and unique ways. Every time a Facebook user becomes a fan of your page, a notice is posted as news items which can be viewed by everyone on his friends list. It helps your business page to go viral on Facebook, thus creating a base for acquiring new customers. Facebook permits you to market your product with the help of images, videos, graphics, descriptions, testimonials, which other users and followers can view and comment for others to see. Facebook is the most popular and prime social media platform to advertise and market your business.